What's up guys, welcome back to today's video. I hope you're having a wonderful day, night, wherever you're watching this from. Today you guys, we are diving into a collaboration by Tony Moly and Pokemon. Yeah, you heard that right, Pokemon face masks. I can't even, look how cute these are, you guys. We have got a Meowth face mask, Pikachu face mask, Charmander face mask. Oh my god, I can't, it's so cute. Bulbasaur face mask, and a Squirtle face mask. If there is ever a reason to be shook to the core, now is the time. Before we go any further, don't forget to hit subscribe to join this ever-growing family. We're growing faster than ever, you guys, and I am so excited. So make sure you hit subscribe down below and that little bell notification so you know exactly when I upload a new video. You never know when I'm going to be testing and trying new cool face masks. And like always, I'll have all of these products linked in the description box down below, as well as my complete skincare routine. That way you know just what's up and you know where to get all of these cool products. Without further ado, let's jump right into this Tony Moly and Pokemon face mask review. Alright guys, so I literally have no idea how I'm going to choose between these face masks. First there's Bulbasaur containing green tea. I love Charmander. This one is for brightening and contains grapefruit. Pikachu contains honey, which is for moisturizing. Meowth is vanilla and for nutrition. And Squirtle contains lotus, that is for hydrating. I literally don't know how I'm gonna pick. I feel like the most fair way is to literally just put them behind my back, shake them up, and pick a face mask. That way there's no bias out there, because I literally can feel people screaming like, Charmander, pick Squirtle. And if I pick the wrong one, I feel like I'm gonna be like, woo, dodging dislikes, like, woo. Woo! So let's just put these behind my back. I'm gonna mix them up and we are gonna pick which one. All right, now I was a total kid of the 90s and like into the 2000s. I grew up with Pokemon like Hello Ash, Misty, Brock, I Got You All. Oh, you know what we should do? We might as well play Pokemon Go while we do this face mask, right? So let's open my Pokemon Go. So we're actually right by a lure outside, just spinning right outside my house. So we'll just leave this open. I'll turn the volume on and we'll play Pokemon Go while we do the face mask. Okay, are you ready? The Pokemon face mask that we are going to try is Charmander. Now this mask does contain grapefruit. It is for brightening, and it does say that it will make the skin look clear and bright with the ingredient of citrus, which is grapefruit, fruit extract. All right, I love a good brightening mask. I don't even know if the sheet mask itself is going to have the Pokemon printed on it. This collaboration is actually a really close contender with the Power Ranger collaboration from Glam Glow, which I'll have that video linked down below. I just love collaborations, especially ones that pull on the heartstrings. This package is so cute. I don't even want to rip it because I don't want to ruin how cute it is. Here we go. Come on, Charmander. Ooh, she was juicy. All right, the moment of truth. Let's see if the Pokemon is printed on the sheet mask. I am gonna die. I'm gonna die if it's on there, and I'm gonna be really disappointed if it's not. All right, let's do this together. This is a true first impression. We are experiencing this together. Are you ready? Dun dun. What? What? This is a joke, right? This is a joke. It doesn't have the face on it. What the heck? What the heck? You guys, I'm so disappointed. I don't even want to put this on. This does not look like Charmander. It doesn't even smell like Charmander. This is a bummer. I don't even want to put this on. But I will for the views. Alright, here we go. Tony Moly, Charmander, face mask, disappointment, nation. Guys, I'm so disappointed. It just ripped. It literally just ripped. What the heck? You know what? I was so excited. And now it just ripped again. Oh my god, it just ripped again. You know what? Look at that. Look at that. Shameful. Wow. Alright, well, you know what? I'm not going to waste it because it is a face mask. So I'm going to go ahead and smooth it onto the skin because we're not going to discriminate between hydration. It literally is disintegrating. It is disintegrating on my skin. This is seriously like some impractical joke. Let's check our Pokemon Go. Literally, there has not been a Pokemon. Whoa, what's that? Oh, it's a Poliwhirl or a Poliwrath. A Spheal. You guys, it is snowing outside today, and it did tell me that there would be more snow Pokemon. I don't know if this is a snow Pokemon, but let's do it. Oh yes, did I get you? Come through, Pokeball. I don't get time to waste, so I only got a one-shot wonder. Ding, ding, ding. Gotcha. I do want to give a very special welcome to all of my new subscribers lately. Guys, we are just subscribing in droves. I love it. I love to hear from you guys. If you're a new subscriber, comment down below. If you made it this far in the video, comment Pokemon, Pokemon, Pokemon. I'm literally so disappointed in this Pokemon Tony Moly face mask that I don't even want to go on. I was really excited to look like Charmander. I thought for sure I would look like this. This is not even like... I don't even kind of look like this. This just sucked the fun right out of this video, didn't it? So to be totally honest, I'm not even going to wait the full 20 minutes for this face mask to dry down because it is really starting to itch my face, and every time I go to lift it up, it just rips. It rips. It's like a really fine cotton. It feels literally like a spider. Is that a joke? Well, I'm not going to complain about a little extra moisture and serum on my skin. I'm just going to go ahead and rub this in because at the end of the day, any serum and any extra moisture is definitely welcomed. My skin does feel hydrated even after that short time, and I'm sure that this face mask would have worked wonderfully if I had left it on. But to be honest, this mask was a really cheap quality. So I mean, unless you're like an extreme Pokemon collector and you want these as just a piece in your collection, I would say go for it. But if you actually want a good hydrating mask, this is maybe not the one to try out. I mean, these packages are super cute, like hello Bulbasaur, hello everyone. I just wish that the mask inside had been printed with the Pokemon on it rather than just the package, because it almost seems in this case like the package is better than the product inside, which you know is not a great thing. Anyway guys, I love sitting down and chatting with you and trying and testing all of these beauty products from all around the world. Some are hits, some are misses. Today was definitely a miss. These Pokemon sheet masks did not live up. I live in an apartment building, and I swear every time I sit down to film, there is someone outside my door, one of my neighbors, and I know they can hear me in here talking to myself, and they probably think like, that guy is crazy, and maybe I am, just a little bit. Anyway guys, I love sitting down and chatting with you about today's beauty and skincare products from all over the world. There's lots of hits, there's lots of misses, but rest assured I will try them all. This Tony Moly and Pokemon face mask collaboration definitely did not work out, but I know there's other treasures out there to be uncovered. If you need more of me in between now and next video, you can always keep up with me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter. I'll have everything and Facebook linked in the description box down below. Until the next video, I hope you have a wonderful day, a wonderful night, and I can't wait to see you then. Bye.